Hey people, I'm going to do an unboxing of the product I got from Picky, the Picky Rewards. If you know that I'm part of their community and they do giveaways, so this is their new one. I'm really looking forward to this one as well. So there's 2 sets you can buy. I got the cream and face mask one. There was a neck roller one as well. This is the cream. The packaging, so sick. Premium packaging. This is the cream. This little mask. I thought it was like one mask in it. Mad. Nice. 2 masks in it. And then a separating one as well. So I haven't tried this one, so yeah. Really looking forward to trying it. Okay. Thank you, Picky. And I can't pronounce CKD. Yeah, you can follow my social media down there as well. And if you want to follow my Picky journey as well, what products I've tried as well, the things down there. The best link is through my Instagram highlight on there. See? So yeah, that's it, people. Now we'll catch you down. Bye.